Chapter 3, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Today we'll do map work based on the chapter. Today we'll color a world map showing type of forest. First of all, prepare index. Index showing tropical rainforest. We'll show this in blue color. Tropical deciduous forest will show in red color. Mediterranean forest I am showing in black color. You can choose the color of your choice. Then the temperate softwood forest in the yellow color. The tropical rainforest you can show in green color also. So let's do it. You can show the tropical rainforest in green color. The tropical rainforests are confined in the area having heavy rainfall throughout the year. Mostly it is found in the equatorial region. So let's see, in South America, the tropical evergreen forests are found here in South America. In the equatorial region of South America. Amazon basin is here. So, the evergreen forest or tropical rainforest are found in the equatorial region in South America, where the rainfall is above 200 centimeter. This type of forest are also found in the east coast of South America here, and these forests are also found here in Central America. These type of forest, the evergreen forest, the tropical rainforest, are also found here in the equatorial region in Africa. Zaire basin, here the evergreen forest or tropical rainforest are found. Why it is called rainforest? Because they are confined to the tropical region where heavy rainfall occurs throughout the year. In the next important region of these type of forest, these are confined in Southeast Asia. Here, these type of forests are confined in the Southeast Asia. In the south, these type of forests are confined in the Southeast Asia. In northeast part of our country and in the western slope of Western Ghat. In the western slope of Western Ghat, and also in the north part of Australia. So the tropical evergreen forest or the tropical rainforest are confined in these areas. Now let's see the tropical deciduous forest. The tropical deciduous forest in America, these forests are found here. Here also these type of forests are found. Some part of Central America, the deciduous forests are found. In Africa, around the evergreen forest, around the deciduous forest. So deciduous forests are found here around the evergreen forest here. in Africa here. And also this type of forest are found in Madagascar Island. Madagascar Island here. And deciduous forest are also found in the Madagascar Island. In India, the tropical deciduous forests are the most widespread forest in our country. In India, here. This can find over here. It is the most widespread forest of our country. In Australia, here. So these are the areas of the tropical deciduous forest. Here in Africa, in India here, Madagascar Island here, Africa here, in America here and here. The next one is the Mediterranean forest. Mediterranean forest. We'll show Mediterranean forest in black color. So the Mediterranean forest, these type of forests are located around the region around the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea here, and these type of forests are found around the Mediterranean Sea here, in the shore of Africa here, in the shores of Africa, North Africa, here in the shore of Europe, and also in the shores of Asia. This type of forest, the Mediterranean forest, are found around the Mediterranean Sea. See again here, the Mediterranean forests are found around the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea here, and the Mediterranean forests are found around the Mediterranean Sea, in the shores of North Africa, in the shore of Europe and Asia. This type of forest are also found in the south tip of Africa, in America also here, just located in the south tip of Africa, in America, in the coast of South America, in North America also. The Mediterranean forests are found. In Australia, in the south tip of Australia, the Mediterranean forests are found. The next one is temperate softwood forest. We'll show in yellow color. See, in Europe and Asia, the temperate softwood forest here. In Europe here, it is found in, actually it is found in the higher latitude, in the high mountain area where the precipitation is in the form of snowfall. So in the higher latitude here in Europe and in Asia, these type of forests are found. You can easily identify them. The area of softwood forest. Europe and Asia belt of softwood forest, the temperate softwood forest, also known as coniferous forest. So, softwood forest, temperate softwood forests are also common in USA and Canada here. In USA and Canada. So in examination, either you will have to locate, label, color, or you will have to just identify the type of forest, and you can easily identify the temperate softwood forest. Either you will have to locate, label, or you will have to identify the type of forest, and you can easily identify the temperate softwood forest. See the two patches here, two belt here. One is USA Canada belt of the temperate softwood forest. It is also known as coniferous forest, and the another one is the Europe and Asia belt of the temperate softwood forest. Now children, see, your map work will be like this. So it's your homework. Color a world map showing the type of forest. You will prepare index and give one title to the map. Now see in your book, in page number 22. So the distribution of forest in the world. Index here, the tropical rainforest shown in green color, tropical deciduous forest in red color, Mediterranean forest in black, temperate softwood forest in yellow. And see the location. See, the tropical rainforests are confined in the area in the equatorial region where heavy rainfall occur throughout the year. So evergreen forests are found in the areas having rainfall above 200 centimeter and having hot climate. Children, you have studied in the previous chapter that these are the areas of heavy rainfall. The equatorial region are the area of heavy rainfall. So evergreen forests will thrive in the area having heavy rainfall. Now see, in South America, these type of forests are found here in the equatorial region, mainly in the equatorial region, Amazon basin. It's Amazon basin here. So the evergreen forest is found in the Amazon basin in the equatorial region in South America. Some patches of the evergreen forest or tropical rainforest are found here, and some in the central part of America also, and in the island also. So the tropical rainforest, you know why it is known as tropical rainforest? Because they are confined to the tropical region where heavy rainfall occur throughout the year. Heavy rainfall here means how much rainfall? Rainfall above 200 centimeter. Now see, in Africa, again it is confined in the equatorial region where heavy rainfall occur. Heavy rainfall above 200 centimeter rainfall occur here. Zaire basin is here. So the tropical evergreen forest or tropical rainforest are confined in equatorial region in Africa. The next important region, next important area of the evergreen forest here in Southeast Asia. In the islands of the Southeast Asia, evergreen forests are found. In India also, here in the western slope of Western Ghat, the western slope of Western Ghat, it is the area of heavy rainfall in our country, and also in the northeast. You might have heard about the name Mawsynram. Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives highest rainfall in the world. So in India, northeast and the western slope of Western Ghat are the areas of heavy rainfall. So evergreen forests are found in these areas in India. The next important area of evergreen forest are here in the north and east coast of Australia. In the north and east coast of Australia, the evergreen forests are found. The next one is tropical deciduous forest. See in the red color, in America here, in South America here, about central part of the South America here, and here in the Central America the deciduous forests are found. Just remember, the deciduous forests are well thrive in the area having rainfall ranging between 100 to 200 centimeter. So in America, here these forests are found. Now see, in Africa they are located around the evergreen forest. Here deciduous forests are found in Africa, also confined in the Madagascar island. Now see, in India the deciduous forests are the most widespread forest in India. In Australia also, here see the deciduous forest in Australia. The next one is Mediterranean forest. The Mediterranean forests are located in the region around the Mediterranean Sea. This is Mediterranean Sea, and the Mediterranean forests are located around the Mediterranean Sea. Main areas are shores of Europe, Asia and North Africa. So as far as climate of the Mediterranean forest are concerned, they are found in the area having dry summer and moderate rainfall during winter. Dry summer and moderate rainfall during winter. See the black color patch? These are Mediterranean forests. Mediterranean forests are also found here in the south tip of Africa, in America here, in the southwest coast of South America, and here also Mediterranean forests are found. In Australia, it is confined in the south tip. The Mediterranean forests are confined in the south tip of Australia also. Citrus fruit trees are found in this forest. The next one is the temperate softwood forest. See the yellow color patch here, the yellow color belt. The temperate softwood forest, they are found in high latitudinal area. High latitude means about 50 to 70 degree latitude in the northern hemisphere, and they are found in the high mountain area. The climate, about the climate, it is found in the colder region having snowfall during winter. So these type of forests are found in the high latitudinal area, in the high mountain in the northern hemisphere, in the colder areas where the precipitation is in the form of snowfall during winter. See the main belt of the temperate softwood forest. It is also known as coniferous forest. Why coniferous? The trees are conical here. Why conical? So that snow should not accumulate on them. The main areas here in Europe and Asia. This is Europe and Asia belt of the temperate softwood forest. Another important area here in Canada and USA belt. The Canada and USA belt of softwood forest. Now in examination, either you will have to locate, label, or simply you will have to identify the type of forest. Now you note down your today's homework. Your today's homework is to color a world map showing distribution of forest. Color a world map showing distribution of forest. Here you will prepare an index and also give title to the map. Just like you can give title, distribution of forest or type of forest. Your next homework is to learn the 5 features of each type of forest. The 5 features of each type of forest. Now one more thing you keep in mind, that the tropical rainforest and tropical deciduous forest both are hardwood forest. Tropical rainforest and tropical deciduous forest both are hardwood forest. And your map work should be neat and clean, having index and title of the map.